Get fit with a fun hula hoop workout. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a fun and effective way to get fit, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a super fun hula hoop workout that will have you sweating and smiling in no time. Let's get started. Hula hooping isn't just for kids anymore. It's a fantastic workout for adults too. It targets your core, improves your balance, and boosts your cardiovascular fitness. Plus, it's a great way to mix up your routine and keep things exciting. That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this hula hoop workout as much as I did. Remember, consistency is key, so keep practicing and have fun with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun workouts and fitness tips. See you next time.